This is a 17 kilowatt Generac. It was running last night for 24 hours. About 3 a.m. it stopped and wouldn't start, and had the error on here. It said something crank, but basically wouldn't start. So I'll show you what it's doing. Just doing a little countdown. When I cover it up with the towel on the import, nothing. But now when I cover it up with this towel on the intakes, it'll try. So any help on what might be the problem? New battery. Like I said, new battery, new oil filter, new oil sensor that was done 2 weeks ago. Once again, it ran 24 hours. Now it doesn't want to work. Trying to get any troubleshooting tips. Thanks.